Welcome to your home sweet home. So this is a fantastic large property here in Citrus Springs, Florida, which is really the heart of the Nature Coast of Florida, very centrally located, so it's easy to get to all of the great attractions that Florida has to offer. So I want to walk you around this house and just tell you about all the great features. First, right off the bat, I'm sure you're noticing these beautiful luxury vinyl plank floors. This is throughout the entire house, newly updated. In addition to that, we've got beautiful recessed lighting, high ceilings. Look at the arched doorways into the living areas, some beautiful architecture. Custom built bookshelves here in the front room. So we have the foyer, a nice dining area, and an extra flex room, living room type area. Here's an office. It has a built-in desk and lots of cabinets. So this is set up ready to go for all of your electronics and your office needs. We're gonna head to the left side here for the primary bedroom suite. Good size transom window, so you have a lot of options where you would put your bed. This house does have a fenced yard, as I'm sure you're noticing, and we've got sliders out to the backyard. So some of the features that we can talk about as we walk through, the house has 3 lots. So this is made up of 3 different lots, and it totals just over 3/4 of an acre. So if you did want to build on either of the other 2 lots, you would have that option. Nice water closet here. And this ensuite bathroom has 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, jetted tub, and a nice walk-in closet. Attic access here as well. There is pull-down attic stairs in the garage also. So really great option for large families. And also the additional space and privacy that this home affords you. Sliders here to the backyard, and then we walk through to the central part of the home, which is the kitchen, family room, and breakfast nook area. Look at this kitchen. Nice big island, beautiful deep dark cabinets, good size sink, double ovens, microwave, big fridge. We also have a pantry here. And then of course it attaches right to the laundry room. Also equipped with cabinets and a laundry tub. Some extra shelving for hanging clothes. And then let me take you out to this garage. So plenty of space in this nice 3-car garage. Air handler is up in the ceiling, so it is not taking up any room. We've got a nice on-demand system here for the water heater. Just a really good space here. I know garage is important to many, so you've got a little extra. And I did say it was pull-down attic stairs. It's actually not the pull-down. You could upgrade that attic access to a pull-down stair if you would like. Back through the kitchen, and the first wing of the house here on the right side, we have 2 bedrooms and a nice central bathroom with tub shower combo. So this is a really awesome floor plan in that all of the bedrooms, all 4 bedrooms are on the first floor. There is an upstairs bonus area, and that has a lot of functionality depending on what you want to do with that space. You could certainly make it into another suite if you needed that, or right now it's just functioning really, really well as a game room. So there is a pool table up there, I'll show you when we get up there, that comes with the house. So you're all set for entertaining. These sliders pocket all the way back, so you can have some nice indoor-outdoor flow with this house. And again, hopefully you're noticing these high ceilings throughout. Another good-sized bedroom, and across from this bedroom is a bathroom. So a really good setup for ample space. This bathroom has a walk-in shower. If you have any in-law needs, this could work well because it's at the other end of the home, so you have things spaced out really nicely. Let's head on upstairs to that bonus area. And this is not a small bonus area. It's about 800 some square feet up here. The house in total is almost 3,600 square feet. Again, we have attic access up here. And so it's really a great size home. It was built in 2006. The air handler or air condenser for the upstairs was just replaced. So that is brand new. Nice big closet. This could also become a bathroom, potentially, if you wanted to make this space into another bedroom suite up here. Now I want to take you outside. So we've seen everything on the inside now, but I want to take you outside so you can appreciate the land that comes with this house and the 2 extra lots. And there is a wonderful shed out there as well. So we'll take a peek at that. First of all, let's step out here and take a look at this yard. It is fenced in, so it's ready for the pets if you have any. And that's a nice high fence too, so that's going to be good for some bigger dogs. So this is a very up and coming developing area. So you can see there's a brand new home going in right next door. And the additional land that we have with this house is on the right side of the home. So again, 2 more lots. And look at this, it sets up nice and high. And so you're looking down at that beautiful wooded property. You can see the shed over there on the second lot. I'm going to walk down this hill so you can take a look at that. Just gorgeous and very quiet out here. Again, we are in Citrus Springs, Florida, part of the Nature Coast. And Citrus Springs is a very easy commute north to Ocala, where you have a lot of the big horse farms. You have a lot of shopping, a lot of restaurants. That's the closest location for some additional entertainment if you want to get outside of the small town rural country feel. And then you can also go south and get easily into Spring Hill, get to Tampa. We have the Suncoast Parkway expansion that's now made the commute to Tampa very quick. And of course Orlando for the amusement parks. So lots and lots of options. Great shed. It is packed full of things like sheds often are. Extra loft space above and just a ton of storage space in there. So this is going to go all the way out into this wooded area. We've got a fire pit ready to go there. But just beautiful, and you can hear nature, a lot of nice sounds. So there it is. This is 0.77 acres, 2006 built home, 3,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3-car garage, and this is new to the market. So if you think this is something that looks really good for you, then you'll want to give us a call and get some more information, request your private tour. So reach out. My name is Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call, 352-794-1426. Have a great day.